Magnet broom. You don't need to buy one, just make one. If you have a couple of really powerful magnets laying around, you just need a used steel paint can lid and a bar clamp. This is 24 inches long, which is a good size to use as a handle for the magnet broom. So I cut up a bunch of this nasty stuff doing the job, so I have a whole bunch of little tiny metal bits on the floor, and they get ground into the wood as I walk over it, which gets aggravating. And my wife walks in here with bare feet, and I can't stop her. So got to get the metal bits off the floor. And, pretty simple concept with magnetism. Alright, so I got a little bunch of metal bits on the plate there. So the paint can lid itself isn't like super magnetic because it's thin, so I can separate it fairly easily. And all those metal bits go right in the trash. So that's the magnet broom. Pretty simple concept. The only difficult part is making sure you keep this out of the way so that you don't get stuck with it. I keep it back here, kind of out of the way, stuck on my joiner, so it doesn't bother me down there. So magnet broom, really simple concept. Use a clamp, a couple strong magnets, and a paint can lid, and you don't need to buy one. So there it is. Shop update video. Starting some new projects. Got some reclaimed wood here. Doing 3 pieces of furniture at once. I'm going to build an armoire that's going to have some shelving and a hanging rod built inside. And then this frilly thing with the turn legs, 2 drawers. It's kind of supposed to be an antique reproduction. These are the turn legs from Osborne Wood Products. And they make pretty nice stuff. Very nicely sanded smooth with their state-of-the-art CNC, whatever they do. Makes a nice turning. So that's the easy way to make legs. And then I'm going to make this piece, which is going to have those tapered legs with the shelf built into it, 3 drawers, zinc countertop. So all the stuff is painted. It's all going to happen this week. And I have a choice of reclaimed wood for the smaller side table with the turned legs. I can use the traditional hemlock, which is looking pretty ratty. It usually requires an extra day of work to repair the cracks and fix it if it's warped. Or I have this wide plank pine, which is going to be wide enough for the whole countertop and is looking pretty clean. So I vote for the pine, even though I'm supposed to use hemlock. But there's some leeway, they just need to get the color and it needs to look sort of clean. So I think the pine will work better. But that's my judgment call. We'll see how it works out. It's not really a big piece, 16 by 48. So if it's something I have to do over again, that's not really a big deal. I can use that for something else. And but it's got to be done on time. We'll see how it turns out. Turned legs. They're fun to paint. No shelf on it, which is good. And geez, got some new bumpers. Check it out. I'm addicted to bumpers. I can't stop making these things. 1 inch diameter by 5/16 low profile to complement the 3/4 low profile, which is currently selling. I know people are making their cutting boards this time of year, so if you need the 1 inch in the black and clear, it's in stock, ready to go. cuttingboardfeet.com. Oh, I got these new stools from wayfair.com. It's going to be my new tripod. Got a magnet stick. They're all steel, so I can stick my magnets all over these things. and use it for extra lighting. So this is going to substitute my tripod, so I don't have to lug that thing around. It's really nice. It's got a handle right built into the seat, so I can pick it up and carry it around. Durable. It's got a nice finish. I don't know, black and orange, I just kind of like it.